The City of Rocks is a state park in New Mexico and was established in 1953. The rocks consist of large sculptured rock formations in the shape of pinnacles or boulders rising as high as 40 feet and is at an elevation of 5,250 feet. The bedrock forming the City of Rocks was created 34.9 million years ago. The petroglyphs and other artifacts show evidence of the Membrano Indians settled in the area from 750 AD to 1250 AD. In 2022, the KOKO Fest with Deborah Dickinson is where you can see evidence of nomads exploring the rocks, gathering at the Orion Group area,
I am just so thrilled that everybody is here. I'm Deborah Dickinson.
I'm Judy.
I'm Bonnie. I'm Cheryl.
I'm Lisa.
My name's Betsy.
I'm Debbie.
I'm Rob.
I'm Sue.
Curtis.
Litos.
Cheryl.
I'm Debbie and this is Dennis. Donna.
I'm Brian.
I'm Lucy. I'm Sally. I'm Barbara Connor. Susan. I'm Kathy or Katz.
I'm Judah.
Hi, my name is Sharon.
Elizabeth.
I'm Kathleen.
I'm Maggie.
I'm Lisa.
Hi everybody, I'm Marty.
I'm the fourth Debbie.
My name is Dawn Vandenbosch. My name is Rebel.
sharing meals,
I made a phone call that was important to me, so that's all I needed.
And we have 5 participants.
Not trying to cut in front of you, but
gathering at the fire pit, going on a treasure hunt, playing cornhole,
oh, that was luck, honey. We're 3 and 3 so far.
Okay.
Nice one, CC. Woo!
It took me like a year and a half to learn.
Sharon, you start off.
and dancing. Other options we're hearing about favorite apps and gadgets,
Oh my God, you couldn't have planned that.
You've been planning it all week, right?
Okay, this is a bidet.
cook with cast iron,
Runner-up, just so y'all know, runner-up was number 2, which I think is fruit. Okay.
memories of this gathering will live in our hearts and last a lifetime, and possibly for a millennia. Just as the Membrano Indians did, we hunted, we gathered, we cooked, and we played. In this day and age, we may be very different from the indigenous people of hundreds of years ago, and yet very similar in our actions. No.
Lucy, I want to tell you how much I appreciate you and Brian being here.
Oh, thank you.
I mean, seriously, and putting up the yurt tent and everything.
Well, I hope it gets used, or if
Yeah,
it's
so-
there in case if people need it.
Well, it's going to be getting cooler, and so
Yeah.
when it gets cooler, they will. But
Yeah.
and it's a treat to get to spend time with you guys.
Thank you.
Yeah,
It's a treat to spend time with you too.
thank you.
That's serious.
So this necklace is from Galvan Nation in Shalom on the Rome, and I really appreciate it. It lights up actually. So at dance night, they call them the Flintstone, the Wilma Flintstone, sorry, Thelma, the Wilma Flintstone necklaces.
It looks fun.
It is fun, but I'm going to take it off now.
Bandit! Bandit! Come on!
Go get it. Go
Come here! Come on! Ah! Come on!
Squirrel.
You come here
and sit.
Good boy.